This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get BeamNG. Drive on Windows 10. First, you'll want to confirm your computer meets the game's minimum system requirements. This ensures a smooth experience. Next, make sure your Windows 10 operating system is fully updated to avoid any compatibility issues. Finally, verify you have at least 25 GB of available storage space for the game installation. Once your system is ready, the next step is to acquire the game. You can purchase BeamNG. Drive directly from its official website or through the Steam platform. After your purchase is complete, proceed to download the game installer. This file is typically found in your computer's Downloads folder, ready for the next stage. With the installer downloaded, right-click the file and select Run as Administrator to ensure proper permissions. Then, simply follow the clear on-screen prompts. You'll be asked to choose your preferred installation directory. The installation process might take several minutes, so be patient as the game files are copied to your system. After installation, you can launch BeamNG. Drive directly from your desktop shortcut or the Start menu. Once the game loads, take some time to adjust the in-game settings. Optimize them for your PC's performance and your preferred visual quality to enhance your driving experience. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy the realistic soft body physics simulation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.